Hello, I'm Angela Madden. I'm really not very good at maths. I never have been, and I suppose I never will be. And there are a lot of people out there who are like me. But I really wanted to be able to make sections of quilts so that I could put something together like this. And I was never going to be successful if I was using a protractor. So I developed a ruler, and then I developed a book of techniques that came from this ruler. And I'll show you both of them because they're really easy to use. The simplest use of this is a Dresden plate. Normally Dresden plates are made by folding paper, but here we've got 16 sections which were drawn by the circle slice, 16 different colours, and it's fun. Here are some more ideas, just the same kind of principle. Again, this one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 slice design.